Hello, this is Reza Mehrabane from FxMath Financial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to install FxMath AI Trader. We have two versions. One version is for gold and another for pairs. This EA is fully automated for MT4 and update automatically. First, copy and paste EAs on your desktop. Next, open your MT4, select file, MQL4, export. Next, copy one file here. Now open your MT4, expert advisor, refresh. You should see here FxMath AI Trader Gold. Next, open tools, options, expert advisor, tick allow automated trading, be sure allow DLM take. Next, okay. Now drag EA on chart. We have some setting here. One is accuracy for signal. Default is 70, but I like choose 80. Next, we have money management, true or false. If false, it trade with fixed lot size, but I always use true. Here you can change your risk. I use 0.5% for my trading always. Here we have another setting, profit close at percent. Default is 5%, close at lose at percent, 5%, and this setting trail profit for you. Default is 2, and I disable for my trading. For first time when you attach on chart, it start download DLL in your MT4 library folder. You should wait. It'll start trade downloading. Okay. Now open your MT4 files folder. Go to MQL4 libraries. You should see FxMath AI DLL gold.ex4. Now attach again EA on chart. Use your setting and press OK. Please wait a few seconds. Okay, now you see some comment here, EA version, DLL version, DLL name, and here is FxMath Financial Solution. EA update automatically from my server, and you don't need anything, only run EA on your one VPS or your PC. I'll always attach my expert on Euro USD chart and pair hard-coded inside EA. You can attach on any time frame. I use it here hourly. Have a good trading and bye.